Super Seat Fest with Cebu Pacific.
Book your seat, Super Seats with Cebu Pacific.
Book your seat, Super Seats with Super Seat Fest.
Book your seat.
Book your seats, Super Seat Fest. Book now with Cebu Pacific. Let's fly, everyone. Enjoy low fares and great value on the right flights for you.
This newscast is brought to you by San Miguel Pale Pilsen, the true global Filipino beer.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
This time check is brought to you by Tusaran Forte. Ubong makulit? Just stop it.
Throughout the years of being a broadcast journalist, I stay true to my principles and stand for the truth. Ako si Cheryl Quasim, news anchor and TV host. Mahalaga ang tunay, just like MX3 capsule. Tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. May seal of quality excellence pa with proper diet and exercise. MX3 capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
Mga higala, karon panahon na, daghan na kaayong herbal supplements, bisag unsa na lang. Pero ang pangutana, unsa man gyud ang atong masaligan para sa atong panglawas, labi na kung nagkaidara na ta. Para nako ha, klaro kaayo, diri ko sa hinimo sa Unilab, ang Herbastrong. Mao gyud ni ang pinakaunang herbal supplement nga gihimo sa Unilab. Mao nga salig ko ani, ang Herbastrong puno sa antioxidants gikan sa mangosteen, turmeric, dragon fruit ug malunggay. Makatabang ni sa healthy aging with proper diet and exercise. Mutabang ang antioxidants nga protektahan ang cell sa lawas. Busa bisa nakaidaran o nagkatigulang nata. Kaya paghihapon nato i-enjoy ang kinabuhi nga mas himsog. Kauban nato ang Herbastrong. Strong sa una, Herbastrong karon. Mahalagang paalala, ang Herbastrong ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ang Cebu Metropolitan Catholic Mass Media Awards. Best Radio Commentator, Best Newspaper Columnist, and Best Public Affairs Anchor. Attorney Rufiel Fernandez Banyok sa Straight to the